Okay guys, so you're welcome to KCWEB Tech Center, and today on ethical hacking, and we shall be looking in a scenario on how to discover devices connected to the same network. Okay, now you want to discover other devices that has been connected to your Wi-Fi, other devices be connected to the same network which you are using. First and foremost, you know that discovering this of a nature, we shall be using the Netdiscovery. There are various ways which you can discover network be connected to your Wi-Fi. Either you use your data or you use the Netdiscovery also. Okay, so first and foremost, we'll be looking at, we want to know the IP of these our system on our Kali, which is we use if config. Sorry, it's not writing, so we use if config. Okay, now our LAN is not sure. This is the index, this is the 10.143.51.27. okay, now we want to discover this. Okay, so say network connected to this, which are our Netdiscover. Arrow. Now what this arrow means, arrow stands for the range. It means the range within this network. Okay guys, it's used to specify the IP addresses range that Netdiscovered should scan, at least scan the network or targets all IP addresses within this IP. Okay, you target all the devices within this IP, and after that, discover live host using ARP request. Now, at the end of it, it allows you to control exactly which network segments you want to perform ARP reconnaissance on. Okay, now we have a arrow. There is a range. Now the IP 10.143.51. This is what we are copying here. Okay, this very innate IP at 51 dots. Now we have 27, which was 2/24. Okay, they take our enter. So it's discovering the network be connected to the same IP, to the same network which we are using. Okay, you can see these are the IPs of all the network be connected to this same system. Okay, these are their MAC addresses. These are MAC addresses of this system. This is the MAC address of this IP. This is the MAC address of this same IP. Okay guys, so you can see how useful our Netdiscovery is. Now we will be able to use Netdiscover. Now we want to use our adapter. We want to connect our adapter to also discover this same network. Okay, we want to discover this same network using our data. Remember, we use Netdiscovery without connecting our data. We will be connected to the same network, so we're able to find the networks which we are using. We'll be connected to. Now we want to. Now if you want to quit this. If you want to quit this, just press your Q, then you're out of it. Now we want to connect our data. Now connect your data. Now if you do if config, you can see that the Ethel and the low is the only one showing. Your WLAN is not showing. Okay, your WLAN is not showing. Now it means that we have not connected our adapter yet, so we want to make sure we connect our adapter now. Okay, so we have connected our adapter. Please make sure you have your adapter. Okay, purchase an adapter, and that is a Wi-Fi adapter, so you'll be able to do this. So we have connected our adapter. We want to see if it's be connected to this Kali now, pointing at this. Okay, no USB device attack. So the next thing we'll do is and before all this, you must make sure you install this adapter. Check video online, you'll see how to install your adapter, the newly purchased one. So we'll come to our device, point to our USB. So this is the adapter. USB. This is the data. This is the red tech 802. Okay, click on it. Once you click on it, then we point to this our icon here. You can see red tech, which is showing there. Now the next thing for us to do is to do our if config to see if our LAN WLAN 0 is showing. Okay. So guys, so we want to check this. We have connected our LAN. We have connected our data, so we want to check if our LAN WLAN 0 will show now. If config okay, sorry, it's not writing. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, just if config config. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see that our WLAN 0 is showing now. Okay, now since our WLAN 0 is showing, so we want to connect this adapter to our Wi-Fi. Okay, we want to connect this adapter to our Wi-Fi so that we'll be able to discover other network be connected to the same network. So come to this our icon of wireless. Come here. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi. You can see the Wi-Fi have detected my Wi-Fi. It has detected my Wi-Fi and it's already connected. You can see it has detected it and it has been connected. Okay, now since it has been connected, so what we should do now is we want to do our net discovery to discover every of these network be connected to the same network. So we will do our Netdiscover /arrow. That is the range of this IP 10.143.51.1/24. Okay, that is the range at most. Then take your enter. So you give it time to discover all the whole network be connected. You can see it has. You can see it has discovered. You can see this is my other system, my other desktop system. With this is the MAC address. You can see. So these are the IP of all the devices that be connected to this Wi-Fi. Okay, guys. So you can see that it has been able to detect and discover the whole system that has been connected to all these our IP. Sorry, all these devices that has been connected to our Wi-Fi. So this is how you can carry out your net discovery using your net discovery or using your adapter to discover all the device. So as a company or as an organization, you want to detect if there is any trace or any black hackers that is penetrating through your network, through your Wi-Fi. You can discover this. Peradventure you want to know, please make sure you note your MAC address and your IP of each of your system, so you'll be able to detect if there is any additional MAC address or additional IP that you are discovering in your network. This is how you can carry out these functions and you're able to discover and take a prompt action to disengage such MAC address or IP, because everyone can do what man in the middle and just steal your data from your system. So thank you for staying tuned, and more of these tips will be given will be on our channel. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us, comment on this video so we will reply your comment and like. Also share this video for others to discover this. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and we look forward to bring next to you. And our next video which we'll be making is how to be the man in the middle when you want to carry out an attack whatsoever. Thank you guys. Okay, see you soon. KCWEB Tech Center will give you nothing but the best.